so addicted to these things. Yes, I'm 40 years old and I just now got onto these high-tech fidget spinners. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Put it up, Mike. Put it up. So, I am the Redneck Cruiser, and I'm not on a cruise ship, and I'm pissed! Bringing kids onto the cruise ship. I know a lot of people like to do it. We brought ours, and it's fun to have our kids out with us. It sure is. Yeah. The only problem is, I was going to bring up the bad part, right? Because, come on, I'm using this platform to get my message across. Parents. Teach your kids some manners. That's right. Excuse me. Sorry. Please. Thank you. And stay out of the way. Oh, you got this piece of trash? Let's put it in a trash can, not on the floor. I was on this cruise ship, and the worst one, and one of my favorite ones I've been on, was a Thanksgiving cruise. But as far as the number of kids on there, it was the worst. It's not because they're loud. Yeah, they're loud, but they're having fun. I get it. But there's trash all over the floor. Freaking ice cream cones just half eaten and on the floor. I'm like, I get it. You're on vacation. You don't have as many responsibilities. But do you do that as parents? No. So why do you let your kids do it? And then there was this other time. Where me and my family, we were eating lunch. They're on the Lido deck, and there was these little boys that came over here. They're probably 10, 11, 12 years old, and they had just recently learned how to cuss. Right in front of my wife and my daughters. And I'm like, listen, I know that a lot of you parents don't teach your young boys to respect women, whatever, and especially in public places, but hey, please, get your kids under control. Listen, I want kids to experience the fun that we have and stuff like that. I was never fortunate enough as a kid to go on a cruise. I wish I did, because it looks fun for kids. It really does. But please, let your kids roam. That's fine. I'm not saying you have to have your kids on a leash. Because, I understand. I got kids myself. But please, give them the law to respect others' spaces. Alright? And pick up after themselves. Don't throw your trash out in the hallway. Watch your language. Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Please. Thank you. Stuff like that. You don't have to be puds. They can have fun. They can have the time of their life. But please, parents, teach your kids some manners before they go on a cruise ship. I'm begging you. Hey, I am the Redneck Cruiser. You may not like what I have to say, but I don't care. I'm just speaking for myself, and probably millions and millions and millions of other cruisers that have never turned on a video camera. Well, guess what? I just did, and I just said what I wanted to say. Hey, have fun. That's what it's supposed to be about, but always remember, they're fellow cruisers that want to have fun too, in peace. Always remember that. You don't have to be... these cruise ships are so big, they're not like, you're like this, Allow people to have their space. I know most adults know that. Kids need to know that too. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm the Redneck Cruiser. I just said that a while ago. Talk to you guys later. 73.